Yes, guys, so this is the look of this. Yeah, I thought it's bronze. And so we are now here at the Chinese bazaar, and they have so many things for Halloween. And Haley to school, guys, and we are walking, going home. Hello guys, so lalabas tayo because we are going to buy some meat. I need meat to add into the food that I am cooking. Yes. So Lakota is ready. She's waiting for me. Say hi, my love.
No.
You don't like to say hi to them? Say hi, just say hi.
No.
No? Yes, guys. So, mainit today. Today is so warm. Right? Right, Lakota? It's warm, huh?
No.
She said no in everything. Yes, today is so warm, guys. Last week it was so cold and we thought that, oh my god, winter came early. And then yesterday and today it's so warm. It is so warm, guys. So we have like short summer days. Okay guys, so we are now here at the supermarket. Masarap sana yung dinakdakan, no? Pang dinakdakan. Hello guys, so we are at home already, and as you can see, all the things that we bought are here. And here, yes guys, so I have to keep all this. So guys, so ito yung mga pinamili namin. Some meat, and then some milk, eggs, and also vegetables, tomatoes, and ito guys, yung butifara, they call this butifara blanca. Guys, this is the white sausage and this is the black sausage. Huli nating ilagay itong mga to guys kasi luto na sila. Yes. Lakota is touching them. Would you like to try?
No.
No? Hello guys, so I am cooking olla aranesa guys today, and yes, ayan siya guys. So the ingredients are, yun nga guys, buto-buto. This is ham guys, buto yan ng ham, pero may laman yan siya guys, ayan. And ayan, baka. And also, yung chicken carcass, kaalis ko din lang guys. Katatanggal ko din lang. Yes, my love. Yeah? Papa is upstairs. And ilagay natin itong mga ingredients na ito guys. Potatoes and carrots. And also, I made these big meatballs. Yan ang ilagay natin. And also guys, yung mga beans, like chickpea. Yes guys, so ayan. Yeah, so this kind of soup is very typical guys in Valdaran. And also we have to put pasta and a little bit of rice. So yun guys, it is very delicious. And yeah, I forgot black sausage and white sausage as well. Guys, ayan na, it's boiling, and I just added also guys yung mga meatballs natin. Ayan, so the vegetables, as you see that. Yes, and also I love cabbage, so I'm going to put cabbage like this because this cabbage is for me lang guys. Yeah, ilagay ko na ganyan. Yes, so bali tatlo ang ilagay ko na ganyan, but I'm not going to eat everything today guys. It's for another day. Yung water guy nandito na. Hello guys, so let's eat everyone. So this is our soup, our lunch for today. So ito yung akin guys. So this is the white sausage and the black sausage, and then I top with the one that I made, guys, now, not chili. And that is my husband's. Yes. And this is hubby's beer also, guys. Everyone, Russell is hungry too. I am eating his food. So this is Russell's food. I'm going to give it to him now, guys, because he's also hungry. Hello guys, so these are the packages that we received these days, and now it's time for us to unbox. So let's see. Okay, what's this first? Wait, Haley, careful, Haley. Okay guys, so we are going to open all of this and then we are going to show you later. Okay guys, so this is the container, guys, that I ordered. If you remember, I bought also, guys, like this before, but because it's not enough, so I bought another one. Yes, and these containers, guys, these are wires. So I decided to buy this, guys, because the other one, the plastic one with the white bins, you cannot see the food inside, but this one, yes, you can see them. Yes, so I bought 6, guys. So this one is 28 euros. Yeah, this two, and this two is 40 something. Yes, this 4, I mean, yeah. So let's check it. I don't like the color because this is the only color they have, so I think I'm going to paint this into rose gold. I'm going to buy a paint. Yes, the spray paint. Yes, and I can spray them and turn them into rose gold. Yes. Yes, guys, so this is the look of this. Yeah, I thought it's bronze, but it's quite dark. It's darker than bronze.
It's gray.
Yeah, Haley thought that it's gray, but not. It's bronze. Yes, so I'm going to organize, guys, our pantry very soon. Yeah. But as I've said, I'm going to paint this, guys, into gold, rose gold. Look, guys, look at our pantry. It's so messy, that is why. And I want to arrange again. Kaya yan. And down is for liquid, like milk, juices, yeah, soups, and my flowers. It's 6:15, but it's quite dark here because the weather is not so good. It's gloomy and very warm today. So we are going to the Chinese store and buy spray paint. Yes, so sweetie, how many spray paint do you think we need?
It depends on the volume of each spray.
I think it's like this. The bottle is like this.
Did you use it before?
No.
Paint something, no?
No, but it's easy because
kind
you
of
just
paint
have to
is
spray like this.
But it's good for food?
Yes,
It's
I
not
think.
toxic. You put food then? On
No, I will check it if they
Take
are
care of
toxic
this,
or not. I will read it, okay? No, I'm not going to put the frita here. We're going to put like pasta, but the pasta with the cover with the plastic, because
So what
some
you have to
pasta
say-
we're going to put it here.
Ask to the shopper,
Yeah, to the shop assistant.
to the shop assistant,
Yeah,
that you going to use the paint for this
the food storage.
objective, and
Yes.
then they can assist you.
Okay, so Haley and me are going out for a while. We go by car, yeah? Okay guys, so see ya. Everyone, so we are now here at the Chinese bazaar and they have so many things for Halloween. Hello guys, so we are now inside the car and we bought, yes guys, they have not gold, they have not rose gold. So ang nabili namin guys ay gold, yun lang ang meron sila. So we bought two, andyan, yes, and we also bought these plastic bags guys for Russell's poop. Better to buy this one guys because these are short ones. Those are the only things that we bought guys, and also I changed the protector of my phone, yeah, because that was broken and now it's so nice. So let's go home everyone. Guys, so I keep it here and I will continue tomorrow because I have to bathe the kids. Hello guys, so we just finished our dinner and now Hailey and my husband are doing math exercises. Yes. So ayan, and it's 9:25 guys in the evening. Yeah, after Hailey will finish her exercises, then we will go to bed. No. Say hi.
Hi.
Did you eat dinner well? Huh?
Yes.
Yes? Very good. Are you sleepy?
No.
No? Are you sure? What would you like to do then?
No.
So I will end the vlog here guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like if you enjoyed this video, this family vlog. Yes, and don't forget to subscribe and comment, and hope to see you again with a brand new video. Bye. Say bye daddy.
Bye bye.
Good night.
Everybody, good night. Sleep well, sweet dreams.